On today's coffee break, let's talk about something that might sound a little crazy. You don't actually have to wash your sartorial wardrobe as often as you think. If you spent a little more time curating an elevated wardrobe, suits, linen shirts, fine tailoring, washing becomes less of a daily chore. And here's why. Lifestyle. First reason, you're not overexerting in your tailoring. You're wearing it to present yourself. Meetings, dinners, a casual stroll through the city, not hauling boxes or jogging a mile in a three-piece suit. Because your activity is calm, your clothes stays fresher. Breathable fabrics. Second, natural fabrics breathe. Italian wool, linen, seersucker. These are designed to regulate your body temperature. They wick moisture. They keep you airy. Polyester, cheap blends, they trap heat and odors. Fine fabrics, they let you move without the sweat. Odor resistant. Third, wool especially is odor resistant. It even has antibacterial properties. Linen dries quickly, shakes off dust. These fibers don't cling to everyday smell the way synthetics do. That means less laundry, more longevity. Less friction. Fourth, quality tailoring creates less friction. Cheaper fabrics rub against you, trap body oils, builds up quickly. A well-cut suit in fine cloth works with you. It drapes, it breathes, it preserves itself. Intentional wear. And finally, reason 5, presentation versus function. A hoodie or denim jacket gets thrown on for everything. Work, travel, lounging, it absorbs life faster. But a suit, that's worn with intent. And when you treat your clothes with intent, you wash less and preserve them longer. So yes, I know it might sound a bit crazy, but the truth is, a curated sartorial wardrobe doesn't demand a spin cycle every time you wear it. It's elegance that lasts. Thank you for tuning in this week's coffee break. Till next time.